Well, over the last few months, you've probably heard a lot from Zoom about customer experience, contact center, artificial intelligence. Well, guess what? This video is not about one of those things. I brought my good friend JP out of his Zoom Phone retirement to talk with me about arguably one of the greatest add-ons to Zoom Phone of all time. JP, good to have you here in the Zoom kitchen. Tell us a little bit about PowerPack, one of my favorite features.
So the PowerPack is an add-on license for Zoom Phone. And what it does is it enhances the feature and functionality already available within Zoom Phone in a couple different ways. First way is by giving us Team SMS. Now, Team SMS is a really cool feature that actually allows a group of people who have this PowerPack license to respond to an SMS as a group. What's really cool is you can actually apply your main business number, for example, to a call queue or an auto receptionist, and then you can very easily SMS in and out of that main business number.
So a lot of companies probably don't even realize that they're receiving text to their main number because they don't have the capability of receiving text there. So PowerPack would enable them to do that and then have a group of folks to actually respond to it.
Yep.
I love that. I think another thing when I think of PowerPack, obviously the name doesn't invoke any specific telephony type things, but although you could be a power user on a Zoom phone, and that inherently to me says, well, you need to have some really good reports that are associated with it. How does PowerPack enhance those reporting capabilities?
Good question. So PowerPack actually brings us additional reports into Zoom Phone. One of the more popular ones is the call queue real-time analytics. So now we have the ability to see what's happening in real time in our call queues. Now, call queues is a basic function of Zoom Phone, but with the real-time analytics, we have a deeper view of what's happening in real time, as well as in a historical manner as well. There's also a couple of other different reports that are very valuable. You get additional reporting into your auto receptionists, as well as your Team SMS.
What does PowerPack do from a desktop perspective? What is that experience like if I turn on the license for PowerPack for a Zoom Phone user? What do they see on their desktop?
Good question. So actually PowerPack enhances what we call the Zoom Assistant widget. Now the widget is a little widget that sits on your desktop that you can use for call control instead of using the traditional Zoom Phone client on the Zoom client. With this widget, now with the PowerPack license, we can add call queues, we can add specific users for speed dial, we can do simple search and one-click transfers right from the widget.
Cool. So PowerPack is just a simple add-on to any Zoom Phone license, right? I can just layer this on, and it's easy to basically add this to any account, right?
Correct, yep. You just need that license package, and you can select whichever user you want to add it to.
Awesome. JP, thanks so much for joining me here in the Zoom kitchen today. I appreciate you catching up with me on PowerPack. If you want to know more about PowerPack, please get in touch with one of us or your local solutions engineer. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.